Verbena flower plant is an easy to grow winter flowering plant. You can grow it by just following a few easy care tips. We will learn all about its basic care guide. So let's begin, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. The first and the most important thing in Verbena flower plant care is to understand the growing season. If you understand the growing season of a plant, you already solve around 40% of your problems. During the growing season, the weather is very ideal for the plant's growth, resulting in better growth, more flowering, and higher resistance to stress. Verbena flower plant is a cool area plant. The cool environment promotes healthy growth in the plant. The hot season like summers isn't good for Verbena plant at all. For Verbena, the growing season starts as the winter season begins. Its blooming time is springs, and as the summer season arrives, the plant starts drying out. In cold climate regions where winters are extremely cold, Verbena doesn't perform well. In such regions, it is grown in summers because the summers there are not too hot. Overall, it's a cool area plant. In temperate regions, it grows best in winters, while in colder regions, it grows well in summers. Another important Verbena plant care tip is its soil media. Soil media is a very important part of container gardening. You need a good soil media to get good growth. Seasonal flowering plants like Verbena are hardy and can grow in any mixture, but using an ideal soil mix provides much better results. With a good soil mixture, the plant grows more buds, becomes bushier, produces more flowers with vibrant colors, and most importantly stays safe from pests and diseases. For Verbena flower plants, you can use a loose and well-draining soil media. It's very easy to make such a mixture at home. The soil recipe is also added in the description box. You can follow that. One of the most important Verbena plant care tips is the ideal spot. In an ideal spot, plants grow really well, makes more buds and produces more flowers because the environment is perfect for growth. Verbena flower plants loves sunny areas. It's a flowering plant and flowers only grow in sunlight. Provide at least 3 to 4 hours of direct sunlight daily. Without direct sunlight, the plant will grow leaves and a few flowers, but the best flowering happens only in full sunlight. If your plant is placed in a dark area, problems like yellow leaves, stunted growth can appear. So just place your plant in direct sunlight, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. One thing you can do to get even more flowers from your Verbena plant is to fertilize it regularly. Fertilizers provide nutrients that the plant converts into flowers. Without enough nutrition in the soil, the plant cannot make more and more flowers. You can use any good fertilizer in the soil of your plant. If your fertilizer is slightly high in potassium and phosphorus, it will give amazing results on flowering plants. I have also made a good flower fertilizer at home using kitchen-based ingredients. You can find that video in the description box. Fertilize your Verbena plant every 2 weeks during the growing season. Verbena plants also get a lot of benefits from deadheading. Deadheading simply means the removal of spent out flowers from the plant. This process helps the plant to produce even more flowers. You see, Verbena is a seasonal flowering plant. The whole purpose of its life is to make seeds so the next generation can continue. Once the flowers makes seeds, the plant starts dying or reduces flowering. So by removing the spent flowers, we can encourage the plant to keep producing flowers all season long. Just remove the flowers whenever they dry out. As Verbena is a seasonal flowering plant and quite hardy, it doesn't need a very big pot to bloom well, but if the pot is too small, it can affect the flowering. Make sure your plant has at least a 5-inch pot. A single plant can grow well in this size. You can also buy some good pots from the description. That's all about Verbena flower plant care guide. Here is the detailed video on Cineraria flower plant care if you like to follow, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.